guys can see, this is the pink version. And over here, this is another variety of hibiscus tree. And we have another variety. So we have lots and lots of trees and plants in my garden. This is another one. Over here, these are the red ones. And this is our papaya tree. It's really tall. And now let's go over here. It is a curry plant tree. Or maybe a plant, sorry. So as you guys can see, this is one of my big mango tree. As you guys can see. And these are my 5 chickens and hens, as you guys can see. Say hello! Okay. So you guys can have a nice look of my big mango tree. And this is the oldest mango tree. This is another mango tree. And this one is another variety of mango. And this is a Axora tree. Of Axora. And this is another plant. As you guys can see, I don't know the name of it. And this is a pomegranate tree. As you guys can see, this is one pomegranate. This is a mehendi tree. This is a chiku tree. And this is a neem tree. And this is the place where all of the hens lay their eggs. This is the most interesting and fun part. As you guys can see, there are 3 eggs over here. Now let's go to the lawn. So as you guys can see, this is my lawn area. This is a decorative tree. And over here is a sunflower with some butterflies on it. I made this craft to decorate my lawn a little bit. And this is another one. This is a lamp. How do we both look? Hope you guys enjoyed our video and our garden tour. So you guys know all these steps, right? You guys need to like, share, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any much more exciting and wonderful videos. And please make sure to subscribe my channel. So, bye-bye. Bye.